As a parent, we are always looking for some healthy snack ideas for our babies. Hello mommies and daddies, welcome back to my channel Mom and Baby. Before we get actually started, I would like to thank you to all of you for your continuous love and support in terms of like, share and subscribe. This means a lot to us. If you are new here, you are most welcome. I'm so glad that you are here. Please consider subscribing our channel and joining our family, and also please hit the bell icon for our regular updates. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the snack ideas that I give to my baby who is 23 months old now. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share our channel, because sharing is caring. Until we meet in our next video, take care and bye bye.